Frosty's Chill Ride Auto Detailing. Transforming your ride, one detail at a time. Imagine driving a car that looks and feels brand new every single day. What if we told you that achieving that showroom shine and spotless interior is just a phone call away? Is your car losing its luster? Everyday wear and tear can make your car look dull and tired. Stubborn stains, dirt, and grime accumulate over time. Maintaining a clean and polished car is time-consuming and challenging. Introducing Frosty's Chill Ride Auto Detailing. Comprehensive detailing services to rejuvenate your vehicle. Expert team with a passion for perfection. Convenient and hassle-free service. What we offer: interior detailing, deep cleaning, stain removal, and refreshing. Exterior detailing, washing, waxing, and polishing for a showroom shine. Specialty services, headlight restoration, engine detailing, and more. Experience the Frosty's difference. Attention to detail. Every nook and cranny is meticulously cleaned. Quality products. We use only the best products for optimal results. 3. Customer satisfaction. Our top priority is your happiness. Hear from our happy customers: "My car has never looked better." Frosty's team did an incredible job. Sarah M. Professional, friendly, and exceptional service. Highly recommended. Bob D. Ready to transform your ride? Visit our website, Frosty'sChillRideAutoDetailing.com. Call us, 816-294-0203. Follow us on social media. 1. We look forward to giving your car the ultimate makeover. Drive clean, drive happy. Frosty's Chill Ride Auto Detailing. Transforming your ride, one detail at a time.